This rapid, regular change in pitch is vibrato. And today we're going to do 3 exercises that can help you develop vibrato in your voice. If you're new here, my name is Daria and welcome to Sing It to the World. Let's get straight into it. Let's have a look at exercise 1. This is what we've got. We've got see how we're making staccato, detached notes, jumpy sort of sounds. Making those sort of quick, separate sounds with your voice helps you learn how to make small, controlled changes in singing, which is a skill we need for a good vibrato. So, this is your exercise, yeah? You've got E, R, O and U, your vowels, okay? You can see them on the screen right now. Just follow me, okay? So, keep it light. It shouldn't be he, ha, ha, ho, ho, hoo, hoo, okay? Or like a, we're not pushing, but we're not also making it breathy. We're not doing that. We want something in the middle, as always. We want a balance, yeah? So make sure you try it a few times on a comfortable pitch, yeah? To find that balance for your voice. Let's go. Keep going. Keep it light. Make sure it's not he, yeah? Good. Good. Let's pause here. So, pop your hands here on your tummy, on your vocal support, your abdomen, yeah? And just pop your hands here. What's going on? Just small sort of movements, yeah? That's what we need, okay? Don't focus on it too much. Just let it do its thing, okay? And let's keep going. Good. One more. Good. Going down. Good. Do a few more for me. Keep it controlled. Keep it jumpy. Last one. Very good. Exercise 1 taught us about control and coordination in your voice, and in exercise 2 we're introducing smooth sort of sound, legato it's called, sort of sound, whilst moving from one pitch to the other. This is what we've got. Me, so see how it's smooth now. It's not me, yeah. Me, try that, yeah. Show yourself that it's smooth. Help yourself with some movement. Why not? And we wanna sing, yeah, every single note, absolutely, but we wanna do it in a smooth way. Me, yeah. We're doing smooth pitch movement, which is basically what vibrato is when you slow it down. Remember I did yeah, in the beginning. So if you slow it down, it's basically just moving from one pitch to the other, one another, yeah? You're just moving between 2 notes, basically, which is what we're doing here. We're moving between different notes, okay? We're practicing this skill. Let's go. So, me, me, good. Me, 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 Now, if it starts getting a bit higher now, yeah, you're welcome to switch into your head voice. You're welcome to mix it. You're welcome to use any register that you want, just as long as it's smooth, it's consistent, you're not pushing, you're not doing that. No, let's go. Me, 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 one more. Me, 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 Very good. So you can take it higher if you want. You can take it lower if you want. The purpose is to move from one pitch to the other, one pitch to the other, which is what vibrato is when you slow it down. In exercise 3, I'd like you to just use your head voice, okay? Let's use your light voice. Ooh, that kind of voice. Try it for me. Find it for me. Ooh, very nice. Now, ooh is the exercise. You're doing ooh, which is a scale, just 5-note scale down, and then ooh, you're repeating the 4 times, okay? And again, this ooh is basically a vibrato movement, slowed down, but we're learning the mechanics of it. Do you see what I mean? Right, let's try it together. Let's learn it first. Ooh, use your head voice. Let's go. Ooh, good. Ooh, ooh, it's fun, isn't it? Down. Good. Stay in your head voice for me. And that's it. These are your 3 exercises that will help you develop a great vibrato. We worked on control and coordination with exercise 1, where we did yeah. We did those staccato notes that help you learn how to control your voice. We learned legato, smooth pitch movement with exercise 2 with me. We moved between the notes quickly, which is basically what you need for a great vibrato as well. And finally, we switched things up a bit and went into our head voice. You can also do it in mix or in your chest voice. It doesn't really matter. The point is to keep it controlled, yeah? To practice those rapid pitch changes, which is what we did with ooh. And whenever you're ready, you can speed this video up, okay? And you can go ooh if you want. And then see if on the last note, ooh, you can go into vibrato. Because at some point you will be able to do that. Make sure to come back to these exercises regularly and keep your voice relaxed and free. And if you want more vocal exercises like this, make sure to join my email list to get access to more than 40 vocal warm-ups absolutely free of charge. Give this video a like, a share, and subscribe to Sing It to the World for more videos. I'll see you next time.